Hi, this is Ilyas Parag, a versatile creative professional specializing in UI/UX design with strong focus on e-commerce website. Over the past 5 years, I have cultivated a diverse skill set on graphic designing, also video editing, motion graphics, animation, and 3D modeling. For the last 3 years, I have connected on UI/UX design, successfully delivering over 50 plus projects and partnering with more than 20 plus brands. My work centers on crafting engaging, user-friendly digital experience that help business grow and connect with their customers. I am proficient in industry-leading tools like Figma, Adobe Creative Suite, Moho for animation, and Blender for 3D modeling. I also have hands-on experience with Webflow, Framer, and Shopify, enabling me to build dynamic, responsive, and conversion-driven websites. My design philosophy is simple. Understand user needs and business objects first, then create intuitive interfaces that are both visual appealing and highly functional. I believe great design is perfect blend of creativity, usability, and continuous interaction. If you had liked to connect or see my portfolio, please don't hesitate to reach out. I had loved to hear from you. Thank you for watching.